Today we're talking about 401ks, and why you need to roll yours over if you change jobs. First of all, let's start with what a 401k is. A 401k is a type of retirement savings plan that is offered by many employers. You can contribute a portion of your paycheck to your 401k on a pre-tax basis, and the money in your account grows tax-free until you withdraw it in retirement. Now, one of the big benefits of a 401k is that many employers will match a portion of your contributions. This means that if you put $1 into your 401k, your employer might add 50 cents, or even a full dollar, to your account. This is essentially free money that you can use to help build your retirement savings, so it's definitely worth taking advantage of if your employer offers a match. But what happens if you change jobs? Well, that's where 401k rollovers come into play. A 401k rollover is the process of transferring the money in your old 401k account to a new retirement account when you switch jobs. This way, you can keep your retirement savings in one place, instead of having multiple accounts scattered around. So, why should you do a 401k rollover when you change jobs? Well, there are a few reasons. First, having all of your retirement savings in one place makes it easier to keep track of your investments and monitor their performance. Second, rolling over your 401k can help you avoid taxes and penalties. If you don't roll over your 401k when you switch jobs, you might be required to take a distribution, which means you'll have to pay taxes on the money you've withdrawn, plus a 10% early withdrawal penalty if you're under age 59 and a half. Finally, rolling over your 401k can also give you more investment options. When you have multiple 401k accounts, you might be limited in terms of the investment options you have. But by rolling over your 401k, you can choose from a wider range of investments, which can help you create a more diversified portfolio. So, how do you start your 401k rollover? First, you'll need to request a rollover distribution from your old 401k plan. You can do this by contacting your former employer's HR department or the company that administers the plan. Then, you'll need to open a new 401k account with your new employer, or with an individual retirement account, IRA. Finally, you'll need to arrange for the money in your old 401k to be transferred directly to your new account. If you don't complete the rollover within 60 days, the distribution will be considered a taxable distribution, and you'll have to pay taxes on it, plus any applicable penalties. In conclusion, a 401k rollover is a smart move if you're changing jobs. By rolling over your old 401k into a new one, you can simplify your retirement savings, avoid taxes and penalties, and enjoy more investment options. So, if you're thinking about changing jobs, be sure to consider a 401k rollover as part of your financial plan. Want to get more comfortable with financial terms this year? Download our free personal finance cheat sheet to get up to speed on all the terms you need to know, and stay tuned for more videos to help you grow your wealth.